Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma o kgethilwe ho ba komiting e kgolo ya ANC. Ha bua le SABC maobane o boletse hore ho hlokahala tshebedisano mmoho ka hara mokga.
The contest is over and the new leadership must embrace the losers must embrace the leadership. But the real victor is the ANC.
Ore o tla sebetsa kae kapa kae moo a rongwang teng.
We work in the ANC, it doesn't matter what capacity you are in, but you serve the people in whatever way. So we hope that we will be able to work together in whatever capacity.
Letona kantorong ya mopresidente le re mopresidente wa naha boemong ba hae ba bopresidente ba ANC o tla etsa bonnete ba hore ho na le kopano ka hara mokga.
We've got no other alternative other than to make sure that it's united, because a divided ANC is quite a sore point to South Africans. It actually hurt the aspirations of South African people. Wherever ANC has lost power, whether in local government, you will always check, Sakina, things don't go right. It is only when the ANC, with its unsurpassed philosophy, unsurpassed vision of Lutuli, of Mandela, vision of Bupape, and vision of Slovo, that this, where this vision is, the African National Congress, without its unity, the prosperity and the possibilities of this country taking its space amongst the nations of the world is not possible.
Ha ile putsong ya hore na ebe mopresidente o tla nyaola ba bang bao e leng matona ba neng ba mo kgesa pele ho seboka sena sa ANC, o arabile jwana.
He doesn't get excited at the weakness of his opponents, but however, I'll be very careful to say I know what his intentions are.
Sophie Mukwena, SABC News, Johannesburg.